Oh my gosh, so far!
Alrighty guys, you asked for it, so you wanted me to bring this series back or keep doing this series. This is part 2 or part 4, however way you look at it. But I thought because when you're on holiday, everyone has a selfie stick, especially if you're doing adventure stuff. As you can see, we're in beautiful British Columbia, Canada with some snow. We're gonna go sledding in like 2 minutes time. So you need like a good selfie stick. So what we've done is, I think I found the ultimate selfie stick. It's by Spivo. It's called the Spivo stick, and they're kind enough to be partnering with us on this video, which is amazing of them. That is the box it comes in. And then you get a little bit of a carry package, which I don't think I've ever seen a selfie stick have one of these before. So that's it there, the Spivo stick. Ooh, it is chilly. A fresh blanket of snow just came on this morning. Open this up and that's pretty much all you get in the package. So this is the stick here. The reason I want to show you guys this stick is because I haven't actually seen it in a selfie stick before, but it has. If you have a look at this feature here, you can spin it around 180 degrees. I'm always filming with my selfie stick underwater. Now I'm gonna be on some snow stuff, and you're filming it, and then when you're done filming the action over there, you have to turn the GoPro around before you can keep filming. But this keeps you in the action for longer because you can simply just push this button and the stick will turn around. Got the brand new GoPro Hero 6. I'll link a video below giving the GoPro review, but yeah, this is it. So you can be going down, and it just goes into selfie mode. I think that's kind of cool.
That's cool.
Let's go test this out. This is my first time going sledding, so you're getting this reaction. That is what it looks like. Yeah, I flew. Alrighty guys, we're gonna do another activity to test out the stick. We've got some ATVs. We're gonna go into the snow. It's like -9 right now. My hands are like freezing. We're gonna go give it a test and see what it's like doing adventurous activities with the stick. I think we've picked a good terrain to go on. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it. Alrighty, the last final test we're going to do for the stick. We'll go on snowmobiling. That was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick look at the Spivo stick. It was really fun doing those activities to show off the stick for you guys. Now my thoughts on it are actually super positive, to be honest. This simple invention of having the button to switch your view is making it so much easier for me to get twice the amount of angles that I want while out there doing sports. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it was super cold out there snowmobiling in Whistler. I don't think I would have been able to take my hands out of the gloves to change it and switch the angle. So having that is an incredibly helpful tool. Now, my only small complaint with the Spivo stick is that unfortunately it's not telescopic. I'm sure the way that they've designed it with the button that stops it from being telescopic, it just means that it's not as easy to transport it. But if you're asking whether I'm going to keep using this stick, The answer is yes. It is such a nifty little invention, and we've got a few upcoming trips in 2018, and this is definitely going to be part of my equipment list. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you want me to do more of them, let me know below. I can focus on drones or stabilizers or vlogging on your phone. Just leave a comment below so I know what you want in the next episode. And give this video a thumbs up so I know that you're enjoying these kind of tech reviews. We can look at smaller things such as selfie sticks and then bigger things such as drones. But I hope you enjoyed. If you're new around here, please hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
A little boxes on the hillside, a little boxes made ticky tacky, little